What's up, Jessica Squad? Today we're making a special recipe from the regular show called the UltaMeatum. So we're going to need hamburger meat and hamburger buns, and we're going to need cheese and ketchup and Himalayan sea salt and some tomatoes. In the show, the cheeseburger is so special that it comes around once every 100 years, and if you don't get it, you're a chump. So we're going to give it a try and try to replicate that cheeseburger, and here is a picture of it. It's a cheeseburger inside of a cheeseburger. So I have a half of a hamburger tube here. It's not a lot of meat to work with, but I'm going to try to do this. It looks like we're going to need 3 regular hamburger patties and 1 big patty that goes around one of the cheeseburgers. Okay, so there's the hamburger. Some seasoned salt here. Pepper. Add a little dash of garlic powder in my hamburger meat. And I got some chili powder. Now it's time to mix up the hamburger meat to get all the spices inside. You always want to spice up the hamburger meat. You don't want it to be plain. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 patties because 2 patties have to get deep fried to be a bun. I'll try to make the 3 patties I need about the same size. I just want to give these a little squeeze, push them down. We got our 3 patties. When we make our cheeseburger, it's going to go in here, and this is going to wrap around, and then we're going to have to cook it again with this. So now it's time to cook the patties. Now I just have to cook the patties through on each side. So we got the 3 patties cooking right now. I'm going to cook them thoroughly on each side, and then we're going to take them off. We got to let it cool down a bit. And we're going to make a cheeseburger and then wrap it around with more hamburger meat to put a cheeseburger inside of the cheeseburger. When you cook the patties, you want to squish them down a bit. This way they get cooked on the inside as well too. And when the hamburgers are cooking, you always want to sprinkle a bit of the seasoned salt on the outside. Okay, so they're all done. I'm going to take them out and put cheese on top. Our hamburgers are done. I put the cheese on top already. I saved a bit of cheese for later because I only had 3 slices of cheese. And I made these a little small since I don't have much hamburger meat. And I'm going to go ahead and make 1 cheeseburger right here like that. I'll put this cheeseburger inside of this. Check out our picture to make sure it's coming out good. That's how it looks right there. Here it goes. I'm going to flatten this out really well. In the regular show, when they do this, they actually just do it right in the pan, but that's not probably going to work out for me, so I got to do it like this. Now we just mold it around like Play-Doh. We're going to squish down our hamburger bun. And bring it all around. Okay, now it is complete. Time to get the pan back on and to cook this. Here it goes. Oh, we didn't hear the sizzle. When you first drop your meat in, if you don't hear that little sizzle, that shh, that means your pan's not hot enough. So let's just give it another few seconds, then we're going to drop this in. Here it goes. I'll squish that down. I think we're going to need to get a lid on this towards the end so it will cook around the sides. Or I might do a technique where I pick it up and I just roll it around like a wheel so it will crisp on the outside. So while that's cooking, we're going to work on our Himalayan sauce. I'm thinking the Himalayan sauce is going to be ketchup, a little dash of ranch, and Himalayan sea salt. We need to put the pink Himalayan sea salt. So we got it going there. Let's mix this up. There you go. We got our Himalayan sauce right here. Himalayan. It's because the pink salt comes all the way from the Himalayan mountains, if you didn't know. I think I'm going to need another spatula for this to flip it. Look how big this looks compared to the other two patties. It's time to assemble this. I think we need some tomatoes. So at the bottom, we're going to have bread and have our cheeseburger. Actually, no. Now I'm going to put the Himalayan sauce. And one slice of the tomato. Our big one. Our other cheeseburger on top. Yeah, I think, yeah, our other cheeseburger on top. Extra cheese in here. And here, and I guess I'll back on my bottom one. The last one. There it is. You know what? I think the tomato is making this too slippery. Let me take the tomato out. It's the tomato, guys. The tomato is making it way too slippery. No tomato. Time to cut into this. I want to see the beauty of how it looks of the cheeseburger inside of the burger. Now here comes my taste tester, my son. It's really big.
Tastes like a McDonald's hamburger.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you think that recipe came out good. And please subscribe. We have more cooking videos on our playlist called My Cafe Secrets. Bye!